In this tabular column, we have given the general form and keywords for each tense in past tenses. The first tense, simple past tense. He was a boy. They were players. I ate an apple. Then the keywords are yesterday, last week, one day, then, last month, last year, once, ago, in olden days. Then past continuous tense, was or were plus verb plus ing. For singular was, plural were, then verb plus ing. The keywords are all last night, all morning yesterday, for a long time yesterday, throughout the night. Then past perfect tense, had plus V3 is the general form, had plus V3. The sentences starting with, after, before, when, these sentences will use the past perfect tense. Then past perfect continuous, the general form is had plus been plus verb plus ing. Here also since and for can be the keywords, but we have to differentiate from present perfect. That is, if the action is completed, it can be past perfect continuous. If the action is still continuing now, then it can be present perfect continuous. The simple past tense is used to indicate an action that was completed in the past and for an activity done in the past. In conditional clauses and in the indirect form of speech, we use simple past tense to express two actions where the first action leads instantly to the second action. When the meeting ended, the staff members came out. Here, I sang a song, you sang a song, he sang a song. The past form of the verb is used in its state. The past continuous tense is used to express an action that was progress in the past. To express an action in progress at some point of time in the past when another event took place. She was cooking when the guests arrived. To describe two or more actions continuing at the same time. While I was watching TV, he was sleeping. To indicate a frequently repeated action or persistent habit in the past. Nitish was constantly complaining about something or the other. Here, I was singing a song. You were singing a song. He was singing a song. So, in the past continuous tense, we have to use was for singular and were for plural. Was for singular and were for plural. The past perfect tense is used for an action that had been completed before another action began in the past. He had appealed to the manager for a week's leave before I reached. To describe an action or event which has been completed before some point of time. By 11 a.m., all the students had left the school campus after the Independence Day celebration. Had left. Then, to describe an action in the past which became the cause of another action. To describe an action in the past using adverbials since, before, already, etc. To express an unfulfilled action in the past and unfulfilled wish in the past. I wish I had accepted the job. The general form is had plus V3. I had sung a song. You had sung a song. He had sung a song. Had plus V3. The use of past perfect continuous tense is to describe an action in the past that had begun and had been going on for some time before another action took place in the past. Mahi and Raghav had been arguing with each other when their mom arrived. To describe an action that had been going on for some time in the past, the students had been practicing for the last couple of weeks. Now here I had been singing a song, you had been singing a song, he had been singing a song. Had been plus verb plus ing is the general form for past perfect continuous. Now, we shall find the difference between present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous. The action which had been forwarded for some time in the past, it is past perfect continuous. If the action continues till now, it is present perfect continuous. We have to find the difference whether action is completed or still continuing. If it is completed, it is past perfect continuous. If it is still continuing, it is present perfect continuous. We have to find the difference and choose the tense.